Today, we are talking about a WhatsApp common question. How do I download WhatsApp on my laptop? Let's be clear about why you can't directly download a WhatsApp app for your laptop and use it without a phone number. WhatsApp is primarily a mobile app, designed for smartphones and tablets. It relies on your phone's number and data for communication and features like voice calls and video calls. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. In this video, I will tell you exactly how you can download and install WhatsApp on Mac and Windows. How to download WhatsApp on a laptop for Windows. Ensure your PC meets the following requirements: Windows 8.1 or later, an active WhatsApp account on your mobile device, and a stable internet connection. If you do not have Windows 8.1 at least, you can still use the WhatsApp for web on your PC. So I told you about the requirements, but let me tell you one more thing. If you do not use WhatsApp on your computer regularly, you do not need to download it and install it. You have the option to use WhatsApp for the web. Let me show you how to do it and how you can download WhatsApp for PC if you want. Open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser. I will just use the standard Windows browser, Microsoft Edge. On the address bar, write web.whatsapp.com. On this page, you can just scan the code with your phone and use WhatsApp directly on the browser. If you only want to use it once, I suggest doing so. After you have logged in with your WhatsApp on the browser, please do not forget to log out, especially if somebody else is using the computer. This way, your conversations will remain private. If you want to download and install WhatsApp on your PC, click on Get the app on this page. Now, click on Open. And now click on Install. Windows Store will install the app on your PC. After the installation is complete, click on Open. You need to scan the code with your phone and WhatsApp will be installed on your PC. You've successfully downloaded and installed WhatsApp on your PC. Now you can enjoy all the features of WhatsApp directly from your computer. How to download WhatsApp on a laptop for Mac. Ensure your Mac meets the following requirements: macOS 10.10, Yosemite, or later, an active WhatsApp account on your mobile device and a stable internet connection. If you do not have a macOS version that is needed for the app to run, at least you can still use the WhatsApp for web on your Mac. So I told you about the requirements, but let me tell you one more thing. If you do not use WhatsApp on your Mac regularly, you do not need to download it and install it. You have the option to use WhatsApp for the web. Let me show you how to do it and how you can download WhatsApp for Mac if you want. Open Safari, Chrome, or any other web browser on your Mac. I will just use the standard Mac browser, Safari. On the address bar, write web.whatsapp.com. On this page, you can just scan the code with your phone and use WhatsApp directly on the browser. If you only want to use it once, I suggest doing so. After you have logged in with your WhatsApp on the browser, please do not forget to log out, especially if somebody else is using the computer. This way, your conversations will remain private. If you want to download and install WhatsApp on your Mac, click again on the address bar. Write on the address bar, whatsapp.com. On this page, click on the download button from the top. Click Allow for Safari to download the file. Now check the download icon from the dock. When the file is downloaded, click on it. A new window will appear with the WhatsApp icon. Drag the WhatsApp icon to the Applications folder shortcut in the same window. This action installs WhatsApp on your Mac. Open the Applications folder and double-click on the WhatsApp icon to launch the app. This is a warning that the file app has been downloaded from the internet. But because we downloaded the file directly from the developer site, this is safe. Now tap on Get Started and follow the on-screen information. WhatsApp will display a QR code. Follow the instructions from this page on your phone. Use your mobile device to scan this QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your Mac screen. Once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp account will be linked to your Mac and your chats will appear. You can now send and receive messages directly from your Mac. You've successfully downloaded and installed WhatsApp on your Mac. Now you can enjoy all the features of WhatsApp directly from your desktop. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.